Hi, my name is Catalina and today I'll be showing you how to make blue tack slime. I'm just going to do this because there's a lot of things on the internet about slime, and I was thinking, what if I chose to make blue tack? Okay, so this is the blue tack slime that we're going to be making, and it is very stretchy, very soft, and I love it so much. It is so soft. And this is the blue tack round, by the way. Oh, sorry, I'm putting it too close. So anyway, this is what it's going to end up like. It's so soft, so stretchy, and it feels so good. See? And you're going to love it. So, all you need is some blue tack, obviously, and any type of cream. I've got QV here. I'm not sure what creams will work, but this one is really good. So, if you have this, maybe you can use it. So, this is what you start off with: a really hard base, and you have to keep on playing with it a lot till it gets softer and softer. It's sort of breakable, so just maybe roll it around wherever your table is and then stretch it very carefully. Now you want to split it into two parts. One part just leave there, and then the other part you're going to be adding some QV skin lotion, and you just add a little bit and then you keep on mixing it. Why we split it into two parts is because if you put too much cream in one of them, then you can just add the other bit. So sometimes you just want to roll it a little bit, and then this one is. It's very slippery, so be very careful. And then you can like stretch it, and it'll get softer and softer. And if it's too hard, and it's still a little bit hard, add a teeny tiny bit more. Just only a little bit. If it gets too sticky, add your other bit. So this is what it looks like so far. It's very weird, and let's just move this out of the way. So this is what it is, and it is very fun to play with. And then if you don't like it, then just add your other bit here, and then you can feel them both and see the difference. It's just like more better, and then it's hard, and then this one's a little bit harder, but that's okay. So this is what you'll turn out with, and it's very soft. There's one more version you can use. You can use most creams. You can use shampoo. You can use anything. But I've got one more version for you. So you can just put this one aside and then just play with your things. But there's one more version that I will have to show you. So this is the soft one we just made. This is the one that I made before. And then this is the hard one. Put anything you want down there, but there's one more thing that you can do. So all you want to do is just like play, and you're like, oh, this isn't as pretty. All you need to do is get a colour. I've got loads and loads, but I gotta be quiet because there's somebody sleeping. Don't want to wake up. So just squish quietly. Get your colour in and just start to dab it onto it, and then it'll start to turn the colour you're hoping for. So And if you don't like the colour, you could use any colour. Turn to a minty, nice green, as you can see. So I use this colour here. Oh, sorry, too close. I use this colour here and here. So that is it. It's very stretchy and very squishable. It's very soft, as you can see. But then, if you don't like that, then just you can do a different type, but you can do any type you want. Okay, now I'm gonna do an ultimate slime smoothie. I mean blue tack smoothie. So, yeah, it's getting together. Okay, so this is my blue tack. So first I'm gonna put down this smoothie. First I'm gonna put down this one, then I'm gonna put down this one, then I'm gonna put down this one. There we go, and now you just have to add them all together and mix them. This feels so weird. It's not mixing as well as I thought it would, but this is the slime smoothie. It is so weird. All these textures. Oh, it feels so weird. So that's the finish. Okay, bye everybody. I hope you like this video. And remember, always have a smile on your face. Bye. Oh my god, this is such a long. So this is what it turned out. So, oh jeez. Guys, so this is what it looks like up close. Here we go. Sorry. That's it. And I have to go, so how do you do this? Bye. 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 See you next time.